Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 stuck on loading screen. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to first try to delete the config file. So you're going to open up your documents, and in documents you should find Diablo 4. Now as I am using external hard drive, I will find it only there. So you want to open up Diablo 4 folder and you should see something like so. And after that, on data, you will see config file. So this is what you want to go ahead and delete, just like so. Now you can also go ahead and delete on the documents local prefs folder file, just like so, and try to launch Diablo 4. If that didn't fix the problem and it's still stuck on loading screen, you want to repair the game files on battle.net. So you go here, click on options, and then scan and repair, and begin the scan. This will repair any corrupt files and identify the missing ones. Another one would be to update your graphic drivers if none of that worked. So for example, I'm using NVIDIA, so you want to open up NVIDIA application, or if you're using something like Radeon, you want to open that up and go to drivers. And as you can see, I have a new ready to download driver. So you want to go ahead and update your drivers. And again, you can go ahead and reinstall your drivers if that didn't fix the problem by updating them. You can go ahead on display adapters here, and you want to disable device or uninstall device, and after that you want to enable device and reinstall device. So that should fix your problem. If that still didn't fix the problem, then you want to go ahead and just reinstall the game. So go to installed applications, find Diablo 4. And on Diablo 4, you want to just click uninstall. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.